Hello, dear papercraft friends. This is the last part or the third part of my planner and journal making video. Here in this part, I assemble and make the hardcover of it. First, I use two bricks to glue the spine. It's actually not that easy. I use this tape from DIY shop. Painters use this kind of tape, or I'm not sure what it is. And I use a sponge to glue everything. It's much cleaner for me than a brush. And of course, I made I made a lot of mistakes during the process, but I left my perfectionism, so I think it turned out great. You will see at the end of the video, and I hope you like this video. For example, this part I left out the marker. It was actually a little bit hard with this tape to hold it strong. So anyways, I put this free video on YouTube even if it's not perfect. I do not have any special bookbinding tools. Here is my hardcover. These are cardboards from, I think, the TV packaging. And I used simple average white glue. Please let me know in the comments that do you plan to make planner or a journal, or you already good in bookbinding. This is my very first project, so so really I left my perfectionism. It's not a special book clothes, it's just a cute textile clothes, and it gets wet a little bit, but I cannot see any wet mark on it. At the end, when I covered the cardboard, I put them out to dry, so it needs a little time to dry. The cardboard was not perfectly flat, that's why these two cracks in the cardboards. But I think it's not a big problem for me right now. I made these two extra pages for the first page and the last page to glue together with the hardcover, and I totally missed that the first page will be glued to the hardcover, so I made the first page on this heavier paper as well. I put here an A4 or letter size paper, not to glue everything. Here I think it gets a little bit wet. Maybe I put too much glue here. I really enjoyed the process. It was really fun to do it, and yeah, it turned out great, I think. It's some kind of calming adventure. And maybe this will be the first planner which I really can start to use, because yeah, I always buy planners, journals, and don't use them. Here I realized that I left out the cute marker ribbons which I bought, the cute marker tapes. So next time I will use it. Here you can see my final project. So I think it turned out great. I hope you like it. Please let me know in the comments that you like it or not. And yes, this is my first journal and planner 2-in-1. I hope you like this video. Please leave a comment, subscribe, and push the like button. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful day. Bye.